All right, picture this. You're on vacation, you're traveling, you've gone somewhere, and you have dirty clothes. Now, most of the time, what I've seen in like campgrounds, RV parks, is that people will take their clothes and hang them outside to dry. Well, insert this awesome little option. Now, look how small this is. It is compact. Guess what this is? You'll never guess. It's a portable clothes dryer. That's right. It's a portable clothes dryer that's this size, so you don't have to put your clothes outside any longer to risk the elements, the wind, the rain, people stealing them, or anything like that. You can just put this in your carry-on, put this in your luggage, slide this anywhere. It's so small, it's gonna fit inside your RV and not take up any space at all. All right, let me show you exactly how it works and how it sets up. All right, so once you pull it out of the bag, you got a couple different options. You got your power and your foot pedestal. You just press, and right here, you kind of slide that down. So that's gonna open your feet. And then your power cord is right here. It's just a simple plug-in power cord, so not too bad. And then open up the top right here, and this is where the magic happens right here. You got your bag that goes over your clothes that keeps the air in, and then inside the bag, you just kind of, what I do is I just fold it over like so, and then it reveals a thing you pull out, but you gotta press this button right here. This is like locking it up so that it doesn't fall out. I like the fact that it locks in here, so if you tip it upside down, it's not gonna slide out. So you gotta actually press and hold the button, and then it gives you this little string, and you're able to pull it out like so. And it's just a telescoping rod, but then this is where the magic happens, just like this. You see this, and that is where you can hang your clothes with your hanger. Now, it does come with an attachment. All right, so if you're just gonna do like, you know, just a shirt or a couple things right here, you're just gonna dry, you're not gonna need this attachment. But if you want, this attachment just attaches right just like this, and now you have hanger spots for more clothes, right? So you're just gonna go grab a few things that are wet, and I will show you how that works. Now, isn't that cool? I mean, look at the size of that, just from top to bottom. It's just sitting right on the side of the stand. It actually comes with a couple of these fragrance discs that we use sometimes we don't use. It just depends on, well, depends on if we remember or not. But you don't need them. Just kind of one of those things that are nice to have, not must-haves. And you just kind of throw a couple of your garments, you know, some underwear, shirts, whatever you're trying to dry, towels, whatever, and it just fits right in here in this area. And to turn it on, it's just a simple button right here. You can turn it on, press it on for 3, 6, or 9 hours. And once you kick that in, you put your garments over, zip the bag up, and you can see how quiet that is. Like, you could just let that run overnight. You can't even hear it from where I'm at. But you can kind of see the bag start to get full of air. And yeah, portable dryer. Who knew? You just let it run overnight and your clothes are dry.